All right, you guys. All right. So we have it here, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. My last GoPro that I ever had was a GoPro Hero 6. So 6 GoPros later, here we are. So let's go ahead and open this thing. Oh, wow. I like this. It's like black with like little blue glitter on it. So that looks pretty cool. Don't know if y'all can see it too well. Y'all see the black and the blue glitter? Looks very nice. So as y'all know, we love the smell of new electronics. All right, so what comes in the box? Charger wire, of course. You get the holder, battery. That's it. That's all you get for $300, you guys. All right, so I am not hip to the new GoPro life, but I will get hip to it today. 300 bucks for a new GoPro, not a bad price. Did get this from Amazon. Link will be in the description. And oh, they have the little thing on the bottom. Okay. Oh, this is nice. So you can clip this on nice and easy. Oh, this is nice. All right, so this don't really stay in place. Okay, so you could clip that on like that. That's if I want to clip that on, but I don't want to clip that on right now. I wonder if I could use my old batteries for this, because I already have 4 batteries, so that would be nice if I could use the old batteries. Woo! I got it open, you guys. It took me a while. This thing is hard to open. Like, you really got to press like down really hard to get this open. This is the battery compartment. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and put it in. Wow, this is definitely harder than what it used to be. Let me power this thing on, see what it looks like. So I powered it on. GoPro came up. English. Do you agree? Yes, we have to agree to use the thing anyway. Turn on, control your camera with your voice. No, I don't want that on right now. All right, it lets you know 20% battery life. Oh, that's nice. Or 10% when connected to power. SD card, insert SD card. All right, so I have an SD card right here. All right, we got an SD card. Pop it in. SD card is in. SD card good. It says 20% battery life, blah, blah, blah. I disagree. Why I put it in Dutch? English. Agree. No. Oh my God. Why do you have to go through all this to use a camera? Oh my goodness. I hate this world. All right, you guys, I think it's not going to let me go further because I don't have full battery life. So y'all let me charge up the battery. I don't know if y'all can see that too good, but y'all let me charge up the battery. You can look at other channels that want to give you all the specs, blah, 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 blah. I don't have time for all that. As y'all know, 4K, blah, 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 waterproof, 33 feet, all that. We'll get into that later. I don't have time for all that. I just want to go ahead, review the actual camera for y'all, let y'all see some good quality video, and that will be it. All right, you guys, this is the first video with the GoPro, and this is the GoPro audio. As we speak, and let's go ahead and feed the birds. Oh, it is a beautiful day out here, you guys. It is beautiful. I actually have a sweater on. I'm not freezing. And it's feeling good out here. All right, I'm gonna take this down. Look like the squirrels done mess with this and pulled this all the way back. I'm gonna have to find out something to stop them from doing that. And lock and load it right there. And what we're gonna do is, next, we're gonna take care of the squirrels. Let them have a little fun. We're gonna give them a buffet today. Might see some birds over getting some nuts today. All right, you guys. So as you see, the shed needs to be cleaned out this season. I cannot wait. Oh, it feels so good today. I feel like spring. Kind of. All right, you guys, so we are in the garage and I'm just here just to see if I get the black lines, and yes, we still get black lines as far as recording in the garage. As y'all can see, I hate this. I hate that black line thing. So it's not just the Insta360, it is probably the action cameras all across. Y'all see that? Why is that line coming up? Can somebody please tell me? I don't understand. I don't know what's going on. So I would love to have an action camera doing action stuff as far action. I would love to do action reviews, you guys. I would love to do action reviews, but unfortunately, these action cameras are not good in the garage, you guys. I'm just gonna be honest. Yeah, just wanted to test that out to see what inside of the garage is like, and we'll do some more tests. All right, everyone. So we are at the final sit down, and I just want to say that I love this camera, you guys. The camera is like, the details on this camera is very good, okay? So that's one thing I could say. Now, as y'all know, I'm getting these action cameras because I want to do a new style of review on my videos. You know, I want more like an action feel and stuff like that. So y'all get to see a little bit of action when I do my reviews. Now, one thing I want to say is I love these action cameras, you guys. The Insta360, to me, they both seem the same, but I have to say that the GoPro to me has a little bit more detail in video quality, okay? That's just to me, but they both are basically at like the same level, all right? So don't break your heads on, you know, oh, what's the best one and all that. Nah, don't break your heads. In my opinion, for this being cheaper, you know, this is nice, you guys. You cannot beat the price for $299 for a new GoPro. That's awesome, okay? I don't care what nobody say. Now the Insta360 for $450, I just want to say I think they overpriced it. In my opinion, I don't think it should cost that much. But that flip up camera is, or the flip up screen is superior, you guys. I love the flip up screen, and that's the only downfall. I wish, you know, you barely could see the screen in case you want to vlog with this camera. I don't know nothing about like the mic adapter or nothing. I didn't really look into that. I just got the camera and that's it. So here's a side by side with the Insta360 right here. And once again, this is one thing that I love with the Insta360 right here. It's that flip up. All right. Now, when it comes down to the end, I like doing reviews in the garage, you guys. You know, especially when the springtime comes. I'm in my garage a lot. So, with that being said, when you like make videos in your garage with the GoPro, well, with me, I get these black lines and it's very irritating. Like, okay, it's very irritating. I don't know why, but when I'm on my main camera, everything's fine. Like, I could record in the garage, I could record anywhere, and I have like no interference. But it seems like with these cameras, it's not like built in for like that type of thing. Okay. Even with the garage door up, so you know, it is what it is, you know, with that. All right, so one of these I may give to my nephew. So he got a motorcycle, and you know, maybe he could do like motorcycle vlogs or whatever. So I'm thinking I might keep the Insta360, and you know why? Because I love that flip out screen. But the details on this GoPro is awesome. Like, I love it. Now, once again, if you are into the nightlife, there are a whole bunch of review videos. Me, I'm just doing like a quick casual owner. This has one of the lower sensors on here that allows more light in. It's better for the low light. And when I looked at the review videos, I think both of them, you know, I think most of the cameras for what they are is good for low light. Now, if you are a night person, then low light will matter to you. I'm not a night person. I don't go to nightclubs. I don't go to the city, none of that stuff. So low light don't really pertain to me. So I don't care about that feature. The only thing I care about is I want this light to work indoors, and that's it. So it works in the studio. Actually, both of them look good in the studio, you guys. So when I do like reviews and you see that real wide angle review, then yeah, that comes from the action camera. And with that being said, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to answer to the best of my ability. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.